In this video, I will be answering the most common questions I receive on eczema from a decade of experience in helping people understand their skin concerns and helping them find sustainable and real solutions. Hi, I'm Vidhi, co-founder of Folium Cottage and a natural skincare expert that have helped countless people dealing with eczema, psoriasis, and sensitive skin. So let's get to the most important questions that you should know answers to if you have eczema. Let's begin with the most common question. Can eczema actually be healed naturally, or is it something we just have to manage for life? The truth is, eczema is a chronic skin condition, but that doesn't mean you're stuck with constant flare ups forever. When we talk about natural healing, we are not talking about overnight magic. We are talking about strengthening your skin's barrier, calming inflammation in and outside on the skin, and understanding your personal triggers. I've seen customers go from itchy, cracked skin to smooth skin and really making that transformation with gentle, consistent care. But it's a journey and not a quick destination. Next question. What actually causes eczema flare ups? And do natural products really make a difference? So, eczema flare ups are usually triggered by a combination of factors: allergens, environmental stressors, harsh skincare products, food sensitivity, stress, and even changes in the weather. A lot of conventional treatments focus on suppressing symptoms. Natural skincare, when done right, focuses on supporting the skin's own ability to repair. For example, the use of activated oils in our formulations, which are therapeutic grade blends of essential oils and cold pressed oils, they calm inflammation, they nourish the skin's lipid barrier, and help your skin stay hydrated and less reactive. But remember, the product is only one piece of the puzzle. Lifestyle, diet, stress all play a role. That brings me to question 3, which is a very, very big question. Is diet really that important when it comes to eczema? Or is it just a wellness trend? For many people, diet does play a huge role. Eczema is often tied to internal inflammation, which is inflammation in the gut. So, yes, gut health, nutrition absorption, and food sensitivities are key. Common culprits include dairy, gluten, processed sugar, processed foods, and sometimes even eggs. So, yes, healthy food can also be a trigger, but this is important. It's not about cutting everything out blindly, it's about understanding your body. I always recommend working with a qualified practitioner to explore elimination diet or allergy testing if you suspect a food trigger. When the gut begins to heal, the skin often follows. Now, let's talk about something controversial. Are steroid creams harmful? Should I stop using them altogether? Steroid creams can bring quick relief, but they don't solve the root issue. Over time, especially with long term use, they can thin the skin, and this is proven. They causes rebound flare ups. They actually make skin more sensitive and sometimes even worse. So if you're currently using steroids, please don't stop cold turkey just because I said, this can happen, because the withdrawal can be really intense. A gentle tapering along with soothing reparative skincare and internal support is definitely a more sustainable path. And yes, natural approaches can offer reduce your reliance on steroids, but it has to be done with guidance. So, what does a natural eczema healing routine actually look like? What's the day to day? The answer to this is it's very simple. It's simpler than you think. Here's a gentle outline. Cleansing. Use a non-stripping balm or oil cleanser with soothing ingredients like calendula, chamomile, or cica. Moisturizing. Apply rich non-comedogenic oils or balms with moisturizing. Apply rich non-comedogenic oils or balms and creams with natural botanicals. Avoid water-based lotions with alcohols or synthetic preservatives or even fragrances. They can really, really be harmful. 3 is barrier support. Use activated oils that contain inflammatory and skin regenerative benefits. Then we have lifestyle. Identify stress triggers, get enough sleep, and look into food insensitivities. And lastly, consistency. Now, this is key. Natural healing isn't about doing everything right. It's about doing these things consistently. Be patient with the process. Make it a journey and you will definitely see results. So, the key question, which is, can you really heal eczema naturally? The answer is yes. You can support your skin in ways that are powerful, holistic, and deeply nourishing. But it takes commitment, it takes listening to your body, and it takes choosing products and practices that honor your skin's natural intelligence and microbiome. So, if you're struggling with eczema and you want to go deeper into a personalized plan, we do offer one-on-one consultations at Oleum Cottage. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and subscribe for more insights on healing sensitive skin naturally. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.